Hi, Kate here from WTI, and I want to show you this beautiful 4-light chandelier from Cargifak. So a few of the things that I just love about it is how simple it is. So it's a nice linear design, it's got that really beautiful wood grain, and then it's complemented by the metal rods. So very sleek and minimalist, but really beautiful, ties your whole space together. So we have a lot of wood in our home, so this style goes so beautifully with our exposed beams. It's completely adjustable, so it comes with several extension rods as well as the chains. We don't have particularly high ceilings, so we just use the one rod, but you can adjust this for the height of your ceilings. It was very easy to install. It took my husband just a couple of minutes to put it up, and it feels really secure on the ceiling. It's got these really pretty clear glass globes. I used Edison bulbs in here in a really soft light because it's above my dining room table. But this would be great for an island as well, or wherever you want to put it. So I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm sure you'll love it in your space too, and that's my point of view.